Welcome to this comprehensive guide on cryptography basics and how they secure blockchain technology. Cryptography is the backbone of blockchain security, providing the mathematical foundation that makes distributed ledgers trustworthy and tamper-proof. Throughout this presentation, we'll explore the fundamental cryptographic concepts that power modern blockchain systems. Cryptography is the science of securing information by transforming it into an unreadable format, ensuring that only authorized parties can access the original data. It serves three critical functions in modern systems. First, it protects data from unauthorized access through encryption. Second, it verifies the identity of users and systems through authentication mechanisms. Third, it ensures privacy by keeping sensitive information confidential. These three pillars make cryptography essential for any secure digital communication system. A hash function is a mathematical algorithm that takes any input, regardless of its size, and converts it into a fixed-size string of characters called a hash. Think of it as a digital fingerprint for data. For example, if we take the word hello and pass it through the SH256 hash function, it produces a unique 64-character hexadecimal output. Even the slightest change to the input produces a completely different hash, making it perfect for detecting data tampering. Hash functions have four essential properties that make them cryptographically secure. First, they are deterministic, meaning the same input will always produce the same output. Second, they are one-way functions, which means you cannot reverse the hash to recover the original input. Third, they exhibit the avalanche effect, where even a tiny change in the input causes a drastically different output. Finally, they are collision-resistant, making it computationally infeasible to find two different inputs that produce the same hash value. Hash functions play three crucial roles in blockchain technology. First, they enable block linking by embedding the hash of the previous block into each new block, creating an immutable chain where any alteration becomes immediately detectable. Second, they power proof-of-work mining, where miners compete to find specific hash values that meet difficulty requirements. Third, they ensure data integrity by making any tampering with transaction data instantly visible through hash mismatches. There are two main types of encryption systems. Symmetric encryption uses the same key for both encryption and decryption, making it faster but creating challenges in securely distributing the key to all parties. Asymmetric encryption, on the other hand, uses a pair of keys, a public key and a private key. While slower than symmetric encryption, asymmetric encryption is more secure and doesn't require sharing secret keys. This is the encryption method used in blockchain technology. Public key cryptography is the foundation of blockchain security, using two mathematically linked keys that work together. The public key can be shared openly with anyone, similar to an email address. It's used to receive transactions and verify digital signatures. The private key, however, must be kept absolutely secret, like a password. It's used to sign transactions and prove ownership of digital assets. These two keys are mathematically related, but computationally impossible to derive one from the other. Digital signatures provide cryptographic proof of transaction authenticity and prevent repudiation. The process works in three steps. First, the sender creates a transaction and signs it using their private key, generating a unique digital signature. Second, this signed transaction is transmitted across the blockchain network. Third, network participants verify the signature using the sender's public key, confirming that the transaction is authentic and hasn't been modified. This process ensures secure, trustless transactions without intermediaries. Digital signatures provide four critical benefits to blockchain systems. Authentication proves the sender's identity without revealing their private key, ensuring you know who sent the transaction. Integrity guarantees that the transaction hasn't been altered or tampered with during transmission. Non-repudiation means the sender cannot deny creating the transaction, providing accountability. Finally, digital signatures enable a trustless system where participants can verify transactions directly without needing intermediaries like banks or payment processors. Let's see how all these cryptographic concepts work together in a complete transaction flow. Step 1. A user creates a transaction and signs it with their private key, creating a digital signature. Step 2. The transaction is hashed and broadcast across the blockchain network for validation. Step 3. Network nodes verify the signature using the sender's public key, confirming authenticity. Step 4. Miners add the verified transaction to a new block, linking it to the previous block using cryptographic hashes. This complete process demonstrates how hash functions, public key cryptography, and digital signatures work together to create a secure, transparent, and immutable blockchain system.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.